Hi, today we will learn how to use autocomplete text view in Android. So let's start. Open your Android Studio project. Click on empty activities. Click on next, name of your application. Now click on finish. Autocomplete text view is a view that is similar to edit text. There is only one difference. It shows a list of suggestions automatically when user is typing. So let's see how to create autocomplete text view. So first open your XML file. Here we use relative layout. Now we add autocomplete text view. Now click on main activity. Here we create one list of type string. Now autocomplete text view. Now we add in list Android. Similarly, we add other items. Now we create one array adapter. Here we pass list names. Now we set adapter. Here we pass array adapter. Now we set the threshold value. Here threshold value define number of characters that user must type before suggestion are displayed in drop down menu. So here we pass 2. Now autocomplete dot set text color. Now we run the project. So when I type on autocomplete text view, it shows suggestions like Android. Similarly, when I type JA, it shows related suggestions. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.